Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you quick ways to improve your Hytale FPS. Let's get right into it. So firstly, you're going to want to press the escape key on your keyboard. Then you're going to want to go to settings. Then go to the general section and look at your field of view. Lowering your field of view can help improve your frame rate as you'll be rendering less on the screen. Now go to the video section. Go to the rendering section. View distance. Lowering your view distance can improve your frame rate as you'll be updating less objects. Render scale. Lowering this can help improve your frame rate as you're telling Hytale to render at a lower resolution compared to your monitor resolution, and rendering stuff at a lower resolution can improve your frame rate. Then what happens is once the game has rendered at a lower resolution, it then just stretches it out to fill your monitor. So the game won't look as good, but since you're rendering at a lower resolution, your frame rate will be improved. Now let's go to the advanced rendering section. World detail. Lower this setting. Anti-aliasing. Lower it or turn it off. Shadow quality. Lower this setting. Particle quality. Go to medium. Shading quality, go to low. Bloom. Set it to low or off. Foliage fading, turn this off. And depth buffer precision, you can set this to low. Changing all of these things will help improve your Hytale frame rate. Once you've done your changes, click on Save Changes. And that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like in the comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.